Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into MOG Coin hamster face and analyzing its next price target for 2025. Is it a good time to buy? Will it reach new highs? Let's break down the latest market trends, technical analysis, and predictions for MOG Coin. MOG Coin has been gaining attention in the crypto space, but how does it currently stand? Its 24-hour trading volume is around $19 million, which is relatively low compared to its previous activity. The circulating supply is 390 trillion MOG, with a max supply of 420 trillion MOG, meaning no more coins will be minted beyond this limit. The all-time high price was $0.00000416, 5 zeros and 416, but it has since dropped 77% from that level. Despite this decline, MOG has delivered over 190x returns from its all-time low, making early buyers significant profits. Looking at the number of holders, MOG has 51,000 plus holders so far. A large amount of MOG has already been burned, reducing the circulating supply. One wallet holds a considerable amount, but most investors have smaller holdings, indicating a more decentralized distribution. Currently, MOG Coin has pulled back significantly from its peak. At its high, the market cap was nearly $1 billion, which some believed was overvalued for a relatively new coin. The recent correction could present an opportunity for long-term investors. The price action suggests that the market cap was too high, leading to a correction. If the price dips further, it could be a better entry point before another major price move. Looking ahead to 2025, if market conditions improve and adoption grows, MOG Coin could break past its previous high and move toward $0.000005 plus. However, if market sentiment weakens or Bitcoin dominance increases, MOG may consolidate between $0.000015, $0.000025 before attempting another rally. Some analysts believe that with strong community support and increasing adoption, MOG could 3x, 5x from current levels by 2025. MOG Coin has had an impressive run, but it's crucial to analyze its fundamentals and market conditions before making any investment decisions. Do your own research, manage risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. What do you think? Will MOG Coin reach new highs in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for more updates. See you in the next video.